Okay, chef, go. Ano ba ang ano natin? Ingredients.
Chicken creamy mushroom. Breast chicken, salt and pepper, oil, shiitake mushroom, onions, cream of mushroom, chicken stock, toppings of broccoli and parsley, garlic and cheese.
Yun ang ingredients natin. Okay, lutuin na natin.
Ano ang gagawin? Napaka-basic lang po gagawin. Una, binababad ko sa salt and pepper. After that, nilagay ko ng oil. Tapos piprito ko muna yung chicken breast. Within 3 minutes.
Kasi madalis masunog ang breast, ano?
So, tapos saute ko ng garlic, tapos onion, shiitake mushroom, broccoli. And then tapos nilagay ko ng creamy mushroom soup. Ang maganda. Ito na po yung chicken creamy mushroom.
Yan ang chicken na mushroom na creamy natin. Okay, very good. Pero ano, promote muna tayo. Kasi siyempre may kanya-kanyang ano kayo, di ba? Sino ba muna? Chef, go.
Ano ba?
Promote mo.
I'm Chef Danilo Malio Jr. My Facebook page is danilo@yahoo.com.
Next.
I'm Chef Raymond. Please come and visit Chef Tob's Cafe in Dumaguete City. Nandiyan ako. Pupunta ko kayo.
Thank you.
Hi! Oh, if you want healthy and zero-cruelty food, vegan-friendly cafe, Baker's Gallery, Gloria Diaz Street, Las Piñas.
Ayun, Baker's Gallery.
Baker's Gallery Cafe sa may BF Resort Las Piñas.
BF Resort Las Piñas yan. At Instagram niya at ang Facebook, Baker's Gallery Cafe. Okay, next.
Promote ko po yung So Delicacies in like my fan page, sodelicacies.com. Yeah. And yung ano po.
Yun, alright. Maraming salamat mga chef.